Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, one-step solution for all your placement needs. Friends, there is a big announcement here. So NCR is going to hire 2021 batch graduate student for a CTC of 7 lakhs per annum. Okay, so friends, your package will be 7 lakhs per annum, and friends, this hiring will be done through NCR campus Code Wars 2020 Engineer Hiring Challenge. So friend, this is the official link, and this link will be also given in the description so that you will be able to register. So friends, please watch the video till the end so that you will be able to understand. So what is the eligibility criteria, which all streams is eligible to write these exams, and friends, how do we register? So let us come down, friends, so we can see. Okay, so what is NCR? So NCR is looking to hire passionate software engineers with excellent coding skills and updated knowledge in data structure and algorithm to work with their dynamic team in Hyderabad. So friends, location will be Hyderabad, and friends, here mainly they are looking for algorithm challenge. So data structure is going to be one of the important parameter here. This is an amazing opportunity to make the best start of your career. So friends, you can also say, so this is a development kind of job. Note, shortlisted candidates will go through the interview process for the position with NCR. So first you'll have to write the written exam, and once you'll be shortlisted, then you'll have to go through the interview process. All selected students should go through mandatory internship from January 2021 to June 21, right? Post completion of internship, full-time employment begins from July 2021. Apply only if you are available for internship program. Vacations for exam will be provided. So friends, right now you apply, later on you think that what is going to happen once you will be able to clear the examination. So what is the eligibility criteria? So graduation year 2021. So if you are going to complete your graduation in 2021, then only you are eligible. What are the skills mandatory? Friends, data structure you should and must know. Okay, data structure, algorithm, OOPS concept, and problem solving. If you do not know also, friends, you can easily learn, so that is not a problem. And definitely, if you are trying for a campus recruitment, at least basic you will be knowing. For the advanced level problem, what you can do is you can practice more and more problem. Challenge format. So 2 programming questions restricted to C++, Java, and C#. Okay. And then friends, 10 MCQ questions on data structure, algorithm, etc. That was also there in your Capgemini examination. So if you have any webcam issues, then friends, you will be able to click on this link and then you can resolve it. So friends, if you are a BE or BTech from any streams, so the streams is not they have not specified. So irrespective of your stream, so if you are from mechanical, from civil, from IT, from ECE, from CS, any streams, you will be able to apply, friends. So you do not have to worry about that. So you can go through this, all those things, friends. So whatever is there, we have already included here. And friends, you can see, so this assessment will be there on the Hacker Earth. Okay, so there is one Hacker Rank and there is one Hacker Earth. Okay, now how to register? So friends, open at October 2, 6 p.m. IST, closes at October 4. Okay, so 2 days is there for registration. Okay, so October 4th, 11 p.m. IST, duration is nothing but 2 hours and 30 minutes. So friends, you can click on registrations and then sign up with the Google also you can do. Yes, I have read and I agree, but okay, now you can see fine. So I'm using this email ID for the login. So let us see. Okay, yeah, so I have already logged in now. So you can click on register, and then friends, Pratik Srivastava here, and then gender is male. Okay, so it has taken my old number. Fine, no problem. So I'll update the new number. Okay, so I'm just doing the registration. Okay, so some details has been already filled, no problem. So graduation year I will select 2021. Okay, so some random data I have selected here, friends. Okay, now CGPA, this is wrong, this is not my CGPA. Okay, so are you willing to relocate? Yes. And then Aadhaar card number, it is not mandatory, I guess. Resume, friends. So as usual, I will select my resume, Pratik Kumar.docs. Okay, so resume is selected. Now register for the challenge. Okay, so this field is required. So friends, right now what I will do, I will fill this one. Okay, so you have to fill the correct Aadhaar card number, then register for the challenge. So what is the problem? Okay, so resume is not uploaded. There is some problem. Okay, so Pratik Kumar. Okay, fine. Now register for the challenge. Okay, so friends, successfully register. So you will be getting like this, successfully registers. Okay, now, so this challenge will open on October 2, 6 p.m. IST and closes on October 4. So you should be getting a mail, friends. So you can check your email like after successful registrations. Oh, yeah, so you can see, hi Pratik, this email confirms your registration for NCR campus Code Wars 2020 Engineer Hiring Challenge. The challenge will run from October 2 6 to this time. Okay, and friends, even they have given a link for start practicing, so you can click over there, and programming practice challenge. So friends, here you can start your practice and then you can get prepared in the same way. And friends, the package is 7 lakhs, the CTC is 7 lakhs, friends, so you can think about that. Okay, and you can definitely give it a try. So thank you friends for watching the video. Please spread this video as much as possible, so that other students, those who have not got placed through the college, they will get a chance to get a very good package of 7 lakhs off campus. Thank you friends.